Hello beautiful community. Well, I'm just about to go and have a shower and get changed and get ready for the football tonight. So Geelong are playing Hawthorn and the winner goes into the grand final. So I'll either be in bed by 3/4 time or I'll end up singing the theme song at the end. We just never know. Geelong have a bad habit of trying to lose all the time, so we'll soon find out in a couple of hours how they go. My mother's a Hawthorn supporter, so she might not be talking to me for a couple of weeks if Hawthorn get beaten by Geelong tonight. So I better keep this short and sweet. So in this video I'm turning a piece of willow, and I have a few pieces of this willow from the tree that I cut down about 5 or 6 years ago. In this part of the world, willow is considered a weed and it grows well along the waterways. This particular tree was in a drain and was tangled up in a fence, and so it was required to be removed. And I've had it sitting outside for the last 5 or 6 years, and the other day I was cleaning up and I thought I'd turn it, and I've turned a few pieces of this willow, and it's a very stable wood. It doesn't move much, and even though there's a few cracks at one of the ends, the consensus was that they would not cause any issues. In fact, using some CA glue and sawdust kept them under control. Willow is also a pale, uninteresting wood, and so for this piece I coated it with tung oil, and 20 minutes cooking in the oven it brought out the grain. I learnt this little trick from spoon carvers who have perfected the process of cooking the wood to highlight the grain of bland timbers such as basswood and birch. Being a softwood, it was very relaxing to slow down and take my time. I also had time to work on the basics of turning. This piece might not be the fanciest piece you've seen, but I had a great time turning it, and it gave me a reason to spend the day in the shed. I hope you enjoy this video. I'm off to watch the football. Wish me luck.